Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you want to see how we got to this, stick around. We'll take you right back to the start.
I'm no mechanic.
Yes, one out. What'd you cut off the diff?
The sway bar bracket sits up here on the diff, because this arm goes over, you get your own sway bar bracket.
Oh yeah.
And that would bolt.
That makes sense. So he cut, I don't know if I can see in there. Yeah, so he cut the two little tabs off there, if you see. Oh, sorry. You see in here, try and get in here. There's two sway bar tabs there, so that's what he just cut off. So we've still got to do this side as well, but yeah. Looks like is that virtually the only like cutting or anything you got to do for the kit? Yeah, oh that's alright. So everything else is pretty much bolted.
Yeah, the rest is bolted.
Oh, that's sick. That's awesome.
So if you don't get Hyperflex, they go under like normal.
Oh yeah, so it won't matter. Yeah, alright, that makes sense. A bit more? You want me to push that? You want me to push that forward and then you can put that bolt through? Oh, you got it. Push it forward a little bit. No way. That's sick. Nice. Good job.
Easier than going back and front.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, well, one arm's in. So we had seen in like other videos, they put the back in first and then slide the arm up and put the brackets through and stuff. And then Jake said, why don't we put the brackets on first at the front and then we only got to push the back up. And we found that was way easier. Went pretty much straight in, which we've seen a couple of guys struggle with in videos. So sick, that's a win.
No, it's easier than I thought.
Yeah, they look sick in there.
Let's see the...
Oh yeah, the sway bar mounts up top there now. Yeah, that's mad. Nice. Oh, first one's in.
I think this is the easy one, but...
Oh, let's get this second one in. Probably can't hear me with the rain, but both arms are in. Perfect. Did it the exact same way as the other side, so bolted all the front stuff in, flipped the back up, went in a dream. Shocks, springs, bump stops, put the remote res mounts, everything. Get all that done. Don't need these suckers anymore. Yeah, the big boys.
Oh, not that big, really.
Hey, 3 inches is 3 inches. So we decided before we put the spring in that we'll put all the bump stops in so it's easier to get to. It's pretty good. They're just like little extensions. So you've got one, which one have you got there, Jake? Because you took one out.
This one here.
You got the flat one there, and then, yep, so there'll be a little extension I'll go in there. You know what I kind of wish it didn't have?
What?
It's a superior right on it, it's just all black.
You can turn around.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
You want to be fancy?
Yeah.
An influencer?
Nah, not me.
No, you're going to have to start a 79 page like everyone else.
Nah, I'm alright.
Poor Jake, he's a bit nervous.
Oh.
He's stressing. So we just come to sort out these brackets for the reservoir. Oh, thank you. And we're trying to work out where there you go. I've seen them like usually on top and that. We jumped on Superior, and then it shows, so there's a bit of a step in the chassis here. So they put this plate on there, so it packs it out flat. And then they want this to go in there like that, which is all good, but this little bracket here, I don't know if you can see, but it's got threads in it. It's got to go, well, we're assuming in there to go there. So we don't know how the hell we're going to do that without either losing this or, I don't know. That's hard. So we come over to the driver's side to mount this remote res bracket, and then perfect. We don't even have to put a plate in this side, so it's only the passenger side. Put a plate in the chassis. So we'll undo those bolts. Remote res plate right there, bang, perfect. How good's that? Smart. Well, the front's pretty much all done now, so we've got the remote res brackets in. When we put them in, we did realise that we had to pull them back out to fit the hose clamps through. You feed them through there, so we did have to do that. It's a bit of a stuff around there, so we've just got everything sitting in there. Mount these up once everything's done, and we are happy. New panhard is in, and then we'll get that all adjusted once it goes to get a wheel alignment. And the new what's that, the drag link, yeah, that's coming on Monday. So he's got that new fancy alloy one. It should look good, but yeah, everything's coming together really good, so happy with that. We're gonna jack the car up. What's the plan? Put the new wheels on the front?
Yeah, put the wheels on and set everything.
Yeah, sweet. So we'll put the wheels on like you said, set everything in, and then the last sort of things that we're thinking of is putting the sway bars in and the brake line. So we just want to make sure everything's good and we're happy with it, and then we'll finish that stuff off, so we're not taking everything off to access something. But nah, apart from that, everything's going good. I'm pretty happy with it. Bunch of two guys that don't know what they're doing.
Bit of a jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, it's a bit of a mission. Like, it's just boxes everywhere, but everything you pull apart, you just have to try and figure out, build, or go onto the Superior site, which is good. It's got all the instructions and that, but yeah, it just does take time. So, no, it's sick. Let's get these wheels on, check them out. I'm keen. Moment of truth. Yes, that is perfect. That sits unreal. Obviously we still got to do the rear. Loving the drag still look, eh?
Yeah.
I like that. That's like the inner mini trucker coming out.
Yeah.
Cali lean on point. I'm more interested about what offset you're running in the rear, mate. Oh no, that is sick. It looks unreal. So he's gone with the Nitto's 35s neg 12.
Yeah, neg 12 front, neg 50 rear.
Yeah, so he's gone neg 12 front, neg 50 rear, which is still to do when we do the rear of the Savo, but that is awesome. Even the offset is like, just got a tiny bit of poke. That's awesome, man. Got to be stoked with that. The height is unreal. What do you reckon, Billy? You like it? Yeah? Yeah? I know, now you have to get a step for her. Nah, that is awesome. That's way better.
Yeah.
What a transformation. Alright, let's finish this off and get the rear done. That's why Jake shouldn't have the 4B, because this is what he's meant to be spending money and his time into, but that's alright.
Bit dirty.
So this is been a long time project. So it's 3RZ turbo in a 90s single cab. It's even had a short wheelbase done, so some of you might not know, but Shaz has been cut short with a space cab tub, but this actually has a single cab tub that's been shortened here to suit, so it's just different sheet metal. It's running two-wheel drive guards with the surf lights and stuff, but they're things you probably wouldn't pick on, you wouldn't know unless you've seen it when it's all done. But sick, new mold dash is going in there, everything's there, you're just starting to put it together. But yeah, it's a sick project.
This goes in more of a cruiser.
Yeah, that is true. That's why I had to get a second-hand cruiser. This is worth, yeah, probably cost the same as the new one, but it's got a tilt tub, obviously all the airbags, all that stuff, fuel cell, all the goodies. But yeah, it's sick. It'll be good once this thing's done, because then I can have the cruisers on the weekend, and he can drive his Mini. Got the EFS 2-inch leaves. You can see there how much difference they are. Bloody heavy, these leaves, I'll tell you that. But we've also got the, what's this, Jake? 2-inch shackle? Yeah, they give you?
2-inch shackle, yeah.
2-inch shackle, but we decided we're gonna leave the 2-inch 300 constant leaves. We're gonna put them in with a stock shackle, so it gives it a bit of a cali lean, because we think the adding this on as well, it's going to make the front drive a little bit nose down. So that's the plan, and if not, we can always swap it out and put them in.
Cali lean as well.
That's it. I think cali lean does look better than a nose dive, but that's good. So as you can see under here, I've been dawdling while he's been working, but yeah, he's just getting rid of these stupid airbags. I don't know who wants them, but yeah, it's taking them out, a bit of a drama with those. But other than that, I think it's good. Get these leaves in, and I think we'll call it a day for today. Alright, ready? What do I put you? Oh, yeah! Look what this guy's got us. This is sweetheart. Gives us a shared hand lunch. Whoa, you're the best.
You don't work on the car.
Look at that. Hey, yeah, that's it. When he's not under the car.
Bring your rear around.
This dog's got bananas. Just sitting in the front seat, loving them. Yeah, well.
Undercover.
Brownies after? Brownies, ice cream. You name it. Shorty's Cafe.
So we're going to end the day here. It's just me and Billy left, and he left me the GoPro to do a bit of filming, but we all know I'm not the best at that, all talking on camera, so we'll give it a go. Got the lease in, the shackles. I really wanted to run the smaller shackles, but it kept inverting on itself, so it's best to just run the big ones, what they give you. It's got a little pin on it so it doesn't invert. Got all the shocks and that in. Now the remote res at the back here, they are a bit different, but the exhaust is here, so I didn't want to run it flat like that one. Got the wheels on and that, so it's not too bad. The only thing I've got left to do is just get the drag link in that when it comes on Monday, and yeah, just see what happens, get a wheel alignment, see how it settles, and yeah, take it on the bush.
Oh, she's finally out of the shed. Gotta be happy with that. So that's sitting at 3 inches. Tell you what, it looks sick. So everything's done. Where we finished the video last time, the rear, he finished all that off, and then we didn't film anything else because I've been away on the trip, so I had the cameras and that. But yeah, Jake's done all the sway bar, put the new drag link in. He's got the new alloy one, which is stronger and half the weight of the original ones. Yeah, he's done all the brake lights, all the fiddly bits, bolted everything up, wheel line and stunt, everything, and that's it. So just upset that his sliders didn't come. Well, they came, but they were the wrong ones, which is all good. We got them sorted, so hopefully they come in the next week or so. But definitely looks sick. I'm stoked for him. What do you reckon? You happy?
Yeah, it'd be better if I painted the diff or the chassis at least.
Yeah, we didn't plan that one too well. We should have painted it when everything was out, but we didn't think about it, and I think we just got way too keen. But all good. It's I think it's a kit that's definitely worth the money if you're looking into it. Like, for what you pay, yeah, it's pricey, but it's top quality gear. You can tell, like, everything lines up perfect. You know, sometimes you buy some gear and they don't line up 100%. You end up re-drilling holes and things like that. But everything came in the kit. Nothing was missing. Everything fitted perfect. It was unreal. It's sick. Looks good. Keen to get this out on the tracks. Well, you know what the best part about this whole car build is so far? The ugly ass rack's gone. See you guys.